I extract the data from the website. Then I will combine that data into one query. So let's check out. Click on all time. Then click on worldwide. Copy the link. After that, go to Excel workbook. Click on from web. Paste the URL. Click OK. Click on this table. Then click on transform data. I see in year column this symbol. I remove this symbol. Click on column heading. Then click transform tab. Click replace values arrow button. Then click replace values. In value to find box, enter this symbol. Leave empty this box. Click OK. I see that symbol is removed from year column. Rename this column. Press enter key. Scroll down. I see top 100 movies in this query. I create two more queries that will show top 200 and top 300 movies. Then I will combine these three queries into one query that will show top 300 movies. Go to website, click on top 200 movies, copy the link, then go to Excel. First I load previous query. Rename previous query table 5. Then load the previous query into data model. Select existing worksheet. Check only create connection. Select add this data to the data model. Click OK. Then click on from web. Enter the URL. Click OK. Select this table. Click on transform data. I transform this column. Click on column header, then click on replace values, enter symbol, then click OK. Rename this column. After that, rename this query table 6. Press enter key. After that, load this query into data model. Select existing worksheet, check only create connection, check this data to the data model, click OK. After that, go to the website, click on top 300 movies, copy the link, then go to the Excel, click on from web, then click on paste, click OK. Select this table, click on transform. Right click on this column. Click on replace values. Enter this symbol. Click OK. Rename this column. Press enter key. After that, load this query into data model. First rename this query. Type 7. Click close and load to. Select existing worksheet. Then check only create connection. Then check add this data to the data model. Click OK. After that, I combine these three queries. This query shows top 100 movies. And this query shows top 200 movies. And this query shows top 300 movies. Click on edit. First I create a reference query number 5. Right click, click on reference. Then in combine group, click append queries arrow button. To combine two queries or more than two queries, this command is used. Click on append queries. Then select query number 6. Click OK. Scroll down. I see here after the query number 5, the data of query number 6 is added. Scroll down. I see here top 200 movies in this query. I combine data of this query into this query. Again click on Append Queries arrow button. Click Append Queries. Select table number 7 or query number 7. Click OK. Scroll down. I see here after the 200, the data of query number 7 is added. Scroll down. This query shows top 300 movies. I rename this query table 8. Press enter key. After that, I load this query into data model. Click close and load to. Check existing worksheet. Then check only create connection. Click OK. I did not check the add this data into data model. That is the reason it shows only connection. I can add this. Click on these three buttons. Click load to. Check add this data to the data model. Click OK. Now I can see this query is loaded into data model and it shows total rows 300. I load this query into pivot table. Click on Insert tab, then click on Pivot table. Check Use an external data source, then click Choose connection. Select query number 8. Click Open, then click OK. I see table 8 fields are loaded into pivot table fields pane. Drag and drop title field in rows box. Then drag and drop rank field in values box. I sort this data. Click more sort options. Then select ascending A to Z. Then select sum of rank. Click OK. I see top 300 movies from smallest to largest values. Then I insert slicer, select a year, click OK. If I click on 2019, I see these released 2019 movies from top 300. If I select 2018, I see these movies released in 2018 from top 300. Similarly, if I select 2017, I see these movies released in 2017 from top 300. Click on Clear Selection. I want to see release year of this number 1 rank movie. Then drag and drop a year field in a rows box. Now I can see release year of each movie after the movie title. So the rank number 1 movie is released in 2019.